So let's try to understand how to create AMI from my console of EC2. So let's start. So I'm deploying the instance. So I'm taking the Amazon Linux AMI, going with the T2 macro, default configuration for VPC and basic configuration, and not changing anything in storage. Security group we have already created, so just taking the default one. So with default one having the 22 port and 80 port is open for the HTTP server and SSH access, and launching instance with the my key pair where I can use the EC2 demo. So let's launch, and you can see it's started to install, and it's in right now it's pending state. Let's wait for a while till it's running state. So our instance is in running state, so just copying my public IP to have the SSH access. I'm doing the SSH. So EC2 user and my public IP, giving the key. So I'm connecting my EC2 instance. Okay. So I got connected, just moving for the root access, sudo su, doing the installation of Apache server, that yum install httpd. So my Apache is installed. So starting the service, systemctl start httpd. Then I'm doing the enable for the HTTP server. So my service got enabled also. So just writing one small files for the verification of HTTP server message. So this is AMI example. So we'll write this file to the var www.html index.html. Okay, so now our server configuration is done. Let's go back to the console. I'm copying again the public IP and open the public IP in browser. We have already given the security group for the port 80. So this is the instance having the public IP, and the Apache server is running, and we get the message which we have to configure. So now we will create the AMI from here. So in the AMI image, in the action menu image, you can create the image. So I'm just creating image here, giving the name my AMI. So it will create the AMI. You can see the configuration over. So this is the current instance volume. I'm creating the AMI. So now my AMI is created here. You can see from the console of AMI, this is the same here, the same EC2 console. In the left side image is AMI. So this AMI is now getting created. It will take some time because it's getting copy from the existing instance. So let's wait till the pending state comes to the running. So AMI is available, so it's copied from the instance. Now you can see its available status. So let's move to the action, and you can see these are the different options over here. You can create the new AMI, and you can copy, you can modify, edit tag. So you can also copy AMI from the same region to the another region, as AMI is binded with the specific region. So but you can copy. So from here you can copy to the another region, and you can do some more actions over here. You can see this the permission where you can make your AMI private to public also. You can give the some other account number for the sharing with the other accounts this AMI, or you can also do the add edit tag also. So here we will going to create one instance from here. So just I'm clicking the launch instance here. So this instance will be created from the AMI which we have created. Okay, so we use the same T2 macro, giving the storage next. So in storage you can see it's take the snapshot of the AMI which we have created. So this is the important things here, and let's move for the tag security group, and choosing the existing security group just for the port 22 and 80 access, and launching the AMI with the same key pair. So this instance we have launched using the AMI which we created over here. You can see we have the two instance. So just adding here the label, this AMI. So now we have the two instance running. One is our base instance and second is the our instance which created from the AMI. So let's take the this public IP and directly open this public IP, and this should have the Apache server as we already configured. Yeah, got it. So this is the same message which comes, so you can see in the second windows. So we have the two different IPs having the same message, so we no need to configure Apache server in the second instance, because we have already used the AMI which created from the instance already running. So this configuration part will be comes in the base instance, and we can create the AMI, and same AMI will be shared with the another account or another region. So this is the example for the how to create AMI and how to launch instance using the AMI.